Next type would be column database or big table. So it is actually advanced the simple nature of key value base that we have discussed previously. So it does not require a pre-structured table to work with the data, and then it works by creating collection of one or more key value pair. And one thing that you must aware of, it has two groups. The two groups are, one is column store and another one is column family store. So the program that is being used to deal with a columnar database is also HBase. And in HBase or in columnar, in column database, it has column and also row. Now you may wonder what is the differences between columnar and also RDBMS when both of them has row and column, right? Now, RDBMS is usually used for structured data. In columnar, you are dealing with unstructured data, for example, text or images. So in columnar, like we have seen before, you are going to have column family. Okay, let me just draw a column family. So this is column family number 1 and column family number 2, where each family will contain or will have many columns inside here. So these column family are the columns that are stored or updated together. Well, these two column family is actually in the same databases. Okay, so you imagine you have 4 column here, okay, 4 column, and then you separate those 4 column with 2 column family number 1 and column family number 2, and each family is clustered or separated by having the column with the same, or when you are going to update the column together. Okay, so let me give you one example. Say I have, this is real world example, yeah. So this is my LinkedIn. So this is the profile of my LinkedIn. So in the profile here, I have the first section that is my about section, okay, my biodata section here. So in here I have some details here, that is my name, my current position or my current occupation, and also my current location or address. There are some other details, but let us just focus on these 3. So this is the first section, and then I also have another section down here that is on experience. So in experience here, okay, I have 3 experiences, and each of the experience section has different value, right? So the first one is being a lecturer, the second one trainer, and also postgraduate, data analyst, researcher. So in every section, I have different detail. Okay, so and for every section, I have my position, my current address or location of the occupation, and also date and some details. So let us draw this into column family. So when we draw this to our column family, so the first column family would be on my about section. The second column family would be on experience. But please bear in your mind, these 2 column family is in the same database. It is in my profile, Iza's profile. It is just being separated into 2 column family. So this is column family number 1, and this is column family number 2. So for each family, for example, in about, I have here name and also my position and location. For experience, I have my position and then my location of my occupation and also date of working. So this column family, okay, so take a look at this column family, is having some columns that are being used together, updated together, and stored together. Okay, so the usage of column family here is to reduce the time to read and write database. Write database. Instead of reading all of the columns here, from here up to here, because this is the same record, yeah, this is for Iza's record. Okay, so because we have here 6 column, for example, instead of updating all of those 6 column, it just need to update, read or write this column family with 3 column at a time. So we just leave the rest as it is. So usually we are going to use this columnar database when we want column that is dynamic, so that we can add further column at the right here. Okay.